Hey, I'm Mr. Larry, and I made this sweater, and I wanted to answer some of your questions about it, and I also wanted to say thank you for all of the wonderful comments and feedback y'all have given me. First things first, if I'm wearing this sweater, it is consent to hug me. You can touch the sleeves if you like. Just make sure your hands are clean. But it is very much a sensory experience that I think everybody should be in on. And if you want to hug, I'm happy to oblige. I've done pom-pom crafts before, mostly for Christmas and like holidays. I wanted something that was just like for me. It took a total of 3,120 pom-poms or so. I bought 30 packs of these all together. I think I started with 6 thinking it was gonna be enough. It was just me going to the store, ordering online, going to a different store, going to the next county over to finish all of this. Of course, I considered at one point just doing the front or maybe just the sleeves or something. And go big or go home, right? And I was already at home, so I had no choice but to go big. Let's talk inspiration. This is my favorite. This is my childhood Teddy, and he's just always inspired me. And I have a video about him on my channel. I also have some new friends, 2 of the newer Care Bears that were recently released. They speak to my vibe. Welcome to the family. I was an 80s baby and a 90s kid, so. And I'm often inspired by my own projects. Honestly, this is not a part of my wardrobe. I see it more like an art piece. And I do want to be able to share it with other people. So you'll probably see it at QuiltCon. You may see it at some other places as well. A lot of people ask about washing it. It's acrylic pom-poms, and then the sweater itself is poly cotton. And I used a high heat hot glue. So it probably would survive a gentle wash cycle. I don't intend to wear it that often. So yes, exclusive. I told some people that it was pretty uncomfortable. Now that I've kind of gotten in and out of it a few times, not so bad. And it happens to be very cold outside here in Florida today. So a lot of you have asked about other pieces that coordinate with this sweater. I don't know. This took forever. Yeah. This took forever. It was a couple-week process at least, and my projects don't typically take that long. Also, it was a very expensive project, so if you notice, this was not a sponsor. So it doesn't feel uncomfortable on the inside. It's just a little bulky and a little hard to sort of like do anything with your arms in. But all in all, I like looking like an abominable marshmallow snowman. Yeah. Anyway, thank you all again. If you like this vibe, follow my channel and check out some of my other projects. Stay creative. Stay crafty. Oh my God, I was about to let y'all go, but then this really cool thing happened. This little guy has been watching the whole show. Hi. Thank you for being my crafty friend today. Bye.